Welcome back to PharmaShowbySeji. Today's topic is colorimeter instrument. What is a colorimeter? A colorimeter is an analytical instrument used to measure the absorbance of a specific wavelength of light by a colored solution. Principle of colorimeter. Colorimeter works on Lambert's law. Absorbance is directly proportional to concentration of the solution. Formula. A equals epsilon times B times C, where A equals absorbance, epsilon equals molar absorption coefficient, B equals path length, C equals concentration, parts of. Colorimeter, light source, LED/lamp, filter system, wavelength selection, sample holder/cuvette compartment, photodetector/sensor, display meter/digital reading, working of colorimeter. Light passes through selected filter, specific wavelength, solution absorbs part of light, detector measures intensity of transmitted light, instrument calculates absorbance concentration. Applications in pharma, used in QC analytical labs for assay of colored compounds, determination of concentration of drugs, dissolution studies, content uniformity, water testing, stability samples color check, vitamin/antibiotic estimation, e.g., iron, copper, riboflavin, calibration of colorimeter. Wavelength accuracy check, use standard colored filters or potassium dichromate solution, verify absorbance at standard wavelength, absorbance accuracy/linearity, prepare standard dilutions example. 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100% standard solution, check linear absorbance graph, 0 blank calibration, insert blank, distilled water, set reading to 0, repeatability/precision, measure same standard solution 6 times, calculate percent RSD, should be less than or equal to 2%, cuvette cleanliness check. Ensure no fingerprints/bubbles, maintenance precautions, handle cuvettes carefully, avoid scratches fingerprints, wipe cuvette before use, do not overfill solution, use same cuvette type for blank sample, regular. Calibration preventive maintenance. Common errors troubleshooting, no light/low light, check lamp, filters, alignment, air bubbles in cuvette, remove bubbles, refill carefully, drift in absorbance, warm up time, clean cuvette, calibration required. Final summary, colorimeter is a simple, reliable and cost-effective instrument for routine absorbance measurement in pharma QC. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe to PharmaShowbySeji for more pharma learning content. Thanks for watching. Stay learning. Stay growing.